In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the paper size in Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing a slideshow for a meeting, a classroom presentation, or a personal project, adjusting the slide dimensions to fit your specific needs is a crucial step in ensuring your content looks polished and professional. Let's dive into it. First off, go ahead and launch Microsoft PowerPoint on your desktop. If you're already working on a presentation, that's great. If not, you might want to either open an existing PowerPoint file or start fresh with a new one. Adding all your photos, tables, and any other content before you adjust the paper size can give you a clearer picture of any resizing issues you might encounter later. Once your content is in place and your presentation is open, we'll be heading over to the Design tab. This is located on the ribbon at the top of your PowerPoint window. The Design tab is where you'll find a variety of features to help you visually enhance your presentation, and it's also where we can adjust the slide size. Inside the Design tab, look for the Page Setup group. This section gives you options to customize your slide's overall appearance, and it's very user-friendly. Here, you'll see the Page Setup button, which you need to click. This action will bring up a new window where you can make detailed adjustments to your slide dimensions. Within the Page Setup window, pay attention to the Slide Sized For drop-down menu. By clicking this, you'll be presented with a list of pre-made sizes. These are standard dimensions like letter, A4, and various display screen sizes. Choosing one of these options might be handy if you're printing your presentation or if you know the dimensions required for your particular project. However, if what you need isn't listed, don't worry. There's another way. You have the option to manually enter custom dimensions if you need something specific. You can find the width and height boxes just below the drop-down menu. Enter your desired measurements here, which is perfect if you're working on a specialized project, like a poster or a custom brochure, using your presentation slides. Keep in mind that PowerPoint does its best to retain the format and appearance of your slides, but you might have to adjust some elements after changing the size to ensure everything looks just right. Once you've selected your preferred slide size or input your custom dimensions, simply hit the OK button. This will apply your new dimensions to the current presentation. At this point, it's a good idea to go through your slides to ensure that all your content fits well within the new size and nothing important has been accidentally trimmed away. And that's it. You've successfully changed the paper size in Microsoft PowerPoint. Now you can go ahead and continue perfecting your presentation, knowing it will display just the way you want it to. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.